Hello everyone, and welcome back to Speak Up English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm John.
And I'm Julie. Hello, John, and hello to all our wonderful listeners.
It's so good to be here again.
It really is. How are you doing today, John?
I'm doing really great, thank you. I just had a nice cup of tea, so I'm feeling very relaxed.
Ooh, tea is perfect. I'm doing well too, but I'm a little tired today.
Tired? Oh no, but that's okay. Our topic today is perfect for tired people.
Exactly. Today we are talking about the night, what we do in the evening and before we go to bed.
So Julie, imagine the day is finished. Work is done, school is done.
Yes, that feeling is wonderful.
It really is. What's the first thing you do when you get home?
The first thing, I open the door and take off my shoes.
Shoes off. Me too. It feels so good.
Then I put my bag down and change my clothes.
Same here. I take off my work clothes and put on my home clothes.
What are your home clothes, John?
A very old, very soft blue t-shirt and soft pants. Not jeans, maybe sweatpants. They are not beautiful, but wow, so comfortable.
I understand. I have a big pink sweater, my at-home sweater. It feels like a warm hug.
Okay, we're comfortable. What's next?
I'm usually hungry.
Me too. It's dinner time. So, Julie, do you cook dinner every night?
Yes, I do. For me, cooking is relaxing. I put on some jazz music and make simple food, maybe chicken and rice, a salad, or soup.
Soup is wonderful. As for me, I try to cook, but when I'm tired, I don't. I just order food, pizza or Thai noodles.
That's normal. Ordering food is easy.
Very easy. Okay, dinner is finished. Maybe it's 7:30 p.m. Now what?
Now, the best time, relaxing time.
Yes! I sit on my green, soft sofa and watch TV.
What do you watch?
Funny shows, comedies. I want to laugh in the evening.
Nice. Sometimes I watch TV, but often I like to read. I have a comfortable reading chair.
What kind of books do you read?
Mystery books. A detective. A big question. Who did it?
Ooh, exciting! But my brain is too tired for mystery stories. I prefer laughing.
Sometimes I don't read. Sometimes I just listen to music. With big headphones, eyes closed, no phone, no TV. Just music for 20 minutes. It makes my brain quiet.
Wow, that sounds amazing. My brain is always busy. I should try that. Julie, do you always stay home in the evening?
Not always. Sometimes on Fridays I go out, dinner with friends or a movie. And yes, buying the big popcorn.
Popcorn is important. I don't really go out much. I'm more of a homebody.
A homebody, a person who loves staying at home. That's me too.
So we relaxed, we watched TV, we read a book. Now it's getting late, maybe 10 or 10:30 p.m.
Yes, your eyes feel heavy. It's bedtime.
I turn off the TV, say goodnight to my cat, and go to the bathroom.
You have a cat?
Yes, a small black cat named Suki.
Cute. Okay, bedtime routine. First, I brush my teeth.
Me too. Brush, brush, brush for 2 minutes. Then I wash my face with warm water. It feels like, okay, day, you are finished.
Exactly. Then I put on my pajamas, blue and white with little stars.
Nice. Mine are just gray. Very simple and calming.
John, do you go to sleep right away?
No, I check my phone, but only for 2 things. 1. Set my alarm.
2. Check the weather for tomorrow. Then I put my phone far away, not next to my bed.
That's a good idea. I do the same.
And you? What do you do before sleeping?
I read again, but only for 5 or 10 minutes. A real paper book. It makes me sleepy.
That's a perfect routine.
Good night, John.
Good night, Julie.
We hope today's episode helped you learn new English words like pajamas, relax, brush my teeth, and homebody.
Tell us in the comments, what do you do to relax in the evening?
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode of Speak Up English.
Have a wonderful evening and a good night. Bye for now.